What is up, guys? Welcome to another travel vlog. Today we're going to Arthur's Pass and Castle Hill, which are just outside of Christchurch, about an hour and a half's drive. We're going to go see the Devil's Punchbowl waterfall, which by pictures looks amazing, so I'm looking forward to that. And then Castle Hill, I've seen on an Instagram account that I follow called Michael Roberts. He's a guy from Christchurch who makes videos and content like me, and he put up a video with the DJI Spark and went to these really cool grey boulders that are just scattered across the landscape. So I really want to go check that out as well, and luckily it's on the way to Arthur's Pass, which worked out quite well. So I've finally got a day off work. I've had the whole weekend and I've got 2 days off now to go get this footage done today, edit it tomorrow, and hopefully have this vlog up by Saturday. Hopefully it's Saturday when you're watching this. But the weather has actually turned out really nice. Just praying for no wind. So all I'm doing now is making sure I'm packed. So I've got the drone, I've got controller, I've got my new wire for the controller. I've also invested in a brand new battery for my Mavic to double the flight time, because I was thinking today I'm going to want as much as I can. I've got my GoPro Session as well, which can go in there. That's charged, just making sure I've got all my SD cards, and yeah, just making sure that we are ready to go. So we'll catch up with you in a bit.
2 hours later.
So we just left Christchurch. It's about 2 hours, actually, not an hour and a half, to Arthur's Pass. So yeah, we're on the way. It's about 140 kilometres out, but just wanted to stop and just look at that mountainscape. It's just amazing. So basically there's just a big flat from Christchurch all the way to the mountains, and it just looks stunning. Just looking forward to getting up there now. So we're about 80 kilometres in. We just stopped at a place called Castle Hill, which again I've seen on YouTube, so I thought I'd check it out. So all of these grey boulders kind of coming out of the mountains. So we're going to try and get up to there, take the drone off, but as you can see, it's just surrounded by the Southern Alps, which is great. So that's what we're doing now. We're going to come back later as well when the sun's going down, just to get some better footage, but yeah. So we're just trying to figure out exactly how these huge lumps of limestone are even up here, because the mountains are a while away. They're just in the middle of nowhere. You okay, babe?
Yeah.
It's time to get the drone out.
I'm sensing a smile, a smile, a smile, a smile.
I hope you enjoyed that drone footage. I'm going to make a full cinematic today, but it'll probably take a lot longer to edit because I want to do it properly. So that's kind of like a preview. Make sure you keep an eye on the channel and subscribe for the next video. It's probably going to be a couple of days. Normally it doesn't take me that long. And I'll put some previews on my Instagram as well, which I'll link right there, so go check out my photos from there and some photos from today as well. So we've arrived at the car park anyway for the Devil's Punchbowl, and it turns out that there's another waterfall here that I'd heard of, but I wasn't exactly sure where it was, but I've just checked the visitor thing at the car park. It turns out there's a lookout for it here, so 2 waterfalls one day. You know these vlogs, I love bringing you waterfalls, it's the best bit. So it's only a quick, like 30-minute walk to the bottom of the Devil's Punchbowl, and then it's another 20 minutes to the other one. So not even, it's not a hard walk, which is good, because Courtney doesn't like hills. So yeah, all good. Oh my god, look. So you can just about see it up there, and yeah, this is going to be huge. So I'm looking forward to getting the drone out, getting some shots, taking some Instagram pictures, all the usual traveller stuff.
That's the coolest fucking story I've ever heard in my entire life.
No one said anything about all these steps. There's a shit ton. We go down there. Oh no. Almost there, I think. I think it was about 150 metres up, so I can't be that far off really. We've lost Courtney, she doesn't like steps, so she's waiting. So I'm going to keep going. Soldier on. So here's waterfall number 1. You can see the Devil's Punchbowl. And yeah, it's huge. I've got the drone out, but annoyingly it was limiting my height, so I could only get up to, I think it was 100 metres. I'm not sure if it's the GPS or wrong in the settings, but yeah, I changed it to 500, but it still just wouldn't go halfway up. So I can get to the top. I got some good shots, which you'll see. So yeah, on to the next one, and then yeah, catch up with you there. So we made it to Bridal Veil. Wow, the lookout is a bit further away than we first thought from the pictures. It's way up there in the gorge. Focus in there. Yeah, it's probably a good 200 meters away from us. It is huge, but can't really get it on camera. So I'm going to get the drone out again, hopefully. Oh, way too close. Ah, there you go. Get the drone out, hopefully I'll be able to get up a bit higher than the last time and get right up to it and get some more good footage. But other than that, I'm going to close the vlog off here, put some cinema now. So in the words of Mark Donor, cue the cinema.